Ito matinding laban. Huawei Mate 80 Pro versus Samsung S26 Plus. Labanan ng matinding camera. Syempre guys, bagong labas lang ang S26 Plus. Naku, ang ganda na camera nito, ang ganda na software. Pero, meron din bago si Huawei. Si Huawei Mate 80 Pro. Matindi rin yung camera. At pagbabalik din ng Mate series, it's been 3 years na guys since the last Mate series. Now lately, si Huawei ay stacking up the numbers. In terms of camera, siya na daw lagi ang number 1. Ito, DxO Mark, lagi number 1. At kulalat na lagi si Samsung. Pero yun yung mga pinaka-flagship nila. What if yung kanila mga nasa gitna na flagship? Kamusta naman? This is going to be interesting kasi nga si Huawei ay matindi talaga yung camera. Matindi yung zoom, matindi yung color. Guys, kung meron mang sobrang accurate na color na pwede mong pagpilian ngayon, I think si Huawei lang ang makapagbigay sa inyo nun. Di seryoso, ang mga camera phones ngayon ay medyo saturated yung color, medyo OA, medyo processed. If you want something na very accurate, very close to the real thing, na para bang mirrorless camera na, this might be it. The Huawei Mate 80 Pro. Pero alam niyo naman yan, Samsung talaga ay matindi sa camera at sa zoom din. Pero ngayong araw, malalaman natin kung sino talaga ang mas maganda. Let us compare these two beast camera phones. Up to beans and you're watching Unbox Diaries. Ooh. Now, first off, the design. Guys, kapag nakita mo si Huawei Mate 80 Pro, it's got this nice gold color. Luxury. Premium. Mamahali ng feel. Tama, pagka nahawakan ko siya, yes, it's a metal body. Glass yung back, cold to the touch. Laki ng camera module. Dako. Guys, iba talaga ang design ng camera ni Huawei. Medyo malaki, medyo makapal. Medyo parang luxury watch. Yung design niya is very Mate DNA. Central symmetry. This time with the new dual space rings design, it looks like an infinity symbol. Premium vibe, and it stands out without being try-hard. For me, kung naka-LV ka, naka-Gucci ka, na bag, parang mas bagay ito kapag nilalabas mo doon sa bag mo kaysa dito. Kung gusto mo lang talaga na simple, mag-Samsung S26 Plus ka. Tapos harap naman, what is this? May tatlong punch hole itong si Huawei Mate 80 Pro. Is it three cameras at the front? No. Yung iba ay sensor lang. Tapos Samsung, isa lang yung kanyang punch hole. Pero syempre, kung ako, hindi lang ako basta-basta bibili ng phone, basta lang sa performance and sa kanyang display. It could be, kailangan ko na matinding camera. And I think this is important. Yung camera specs. Guys, meron pong 50MP. Main camera po si Huawei Mate 80 Pro with all the bells and whistles. Matindi po sa low light. Matindi yung dynamic range. Meron pa siyang 48MP periscope telephoto lens for that extra clarity in very far places. At yung kanyang ultra-wide angle lens ay 40 megapixel. O, in comparison si Samsung S26 Plus ay only 50MP main camera, 10MP telephoto, at 12MP ultra-wide angle lens. So, juts. Pero juts din ba ang image quality? Ito na. So ito, BGC. Look at the buildings. So si Samsung, makita mo is, okay, maganda. Kaya lang, hindi po yan yung actual niya na color. Kung ano pinakita ng mata namin, ayun po si Huawei. Also, matindi yung kanyang dynamic range. Tingnan mo yung mga buildings, guys. Mas well exposed. Eto naman si Jack. Naku. Nakita mo yung t-shirt ni Jack. Mas detalyado. At saka yung skin niya mas blooming. Mas buhay. Dito kay Huawei. Eto naman kay Samsung. Naku. Parang maputla siya dito. At saka medyo dark yung skin. At parang medyo haggard. Also, the background blur is better dito sa Huawei. Actually, guys, meron kami ditong color testing para mapakita sa inyo kung gaano pa katindi talaga itong camera ni Huawei when it comes to color accuracy. So I got here a tomato and a banana. So ito, nagprint kami ng papel with the Unbox Diaries colors. Black, may mustard yellow, may orange, at meron pang gray color. So lumalabas, medyo close sila. Close na close. Yun nga lang, mas textured po si Huawei. Kailan din naman to kapag ka nag-zoom in ka further to macro mode, dito na sobrang layo guys, na wala ang color ni Samsung dito. Tapos medyo malabo yung Unbox Diaries dito. Pwede talaga siyang parang malapit without compromising yung lighting and shadows. At nare-retain natin yung kanyang original color. Next naman, itong tomato. So far, medyo close sila. Yung nga lang, mas maganda yung color talaga ni Huawei. Mas vibrant yung dating. The Huawei can actually zoom in further without any compromises. Pero siguro ito yung nagustuhan ko kay Huawei. Meron siya tinatawag na AI composition. Kapag kakinlik mo yan, magka-crop in siya further. Meron siyang lalabas na guidelines. Itutok mo lang, tapos it will zoom in and crop in further. Nang parang ganyan. This will guide you para malaman mo yung center ng frame. Para mas okay yung shot mo. Especially for portrait shots such as this. Now, you can actually do that sa Samsung. Kaya lang, syempre, without the guide, medyo mahirap ka lang ng konti. Kailangan mo ng special talent for framing. But kay Huawei, pwede ka na maging expert just with this feature. And just like that, ito na po guys. Ito na yung itsura nun. Side by side. Now, para sa akin, ang pinaka-important talaga sa camera is kung kaya ba talaga niya ang low light. Eto, meron akong sunset photo. Syempre, this one is very challenging. Kailangan mo din HDR dito. But as you can see, Huawei is doing its magic. Kitang-kita yung sunset sa gitna, yung dramatic effect niya. But at the same time, hindi pa siya totally silhouette yung dating. Kita mo pa rin yung building sa gilid. Pero yung kay Samsung, medyo silhouette na po yung dating niya. Also, yung warm tones ng sunset feel, andun pa rin sa Huawei. Feeling ko, kapag pinost mo to sa Instagram ngayon, mas maraming likes alam mo na, ginagawa ng Samsung. But of course, this is the ultimate sample. Talagang gabi na. Kaya napansin niyo ba yun? Parang ang layo na ng difference. The Huawei photo is leaps ahead. Parang may hazing effect dito sa Samsung. Kasi it's trying to balance out everything here. Dito na kay Huawei, as you can see, wow, black na black yung sky. Tapos, grabe yung contrast ng lights dun sa buildings. Oo, pati yung sa yellow na building dito, hindi sabog yung ilaw. Matindi ang control sa lighting. And exposure pa nga dito kay Huawei. So marami pa mga pictures na tinake dito, and so far, in terms of the color, in terms of consistency, liveliness ng itsura ng tao dito, and yung vibe ng photo, very professional ang itsura nung kay Huawei. Now, this is where the Huawei Mate 80 Pro energy is different. Plus, durability that's meant to survive creator chaos. Well, syempre naman, meron siyang second-gen Kunlun glass, vegan fiber back, super durable architecture, bend resistance pa nga. Meron pa siyang up to 6 meters IP68 and IP69 water and dust resistance. And yes, the key apps people ask about are easy to spot and access. Which is, meron na po siyang app gallery, my favorite. Dahil marami na pong available apps dito. GCash, BPI, Facebook, YouTube. Tapos ito pa, yung kanyang battery ang laki. Meron po siyang 5,750 mAh large battery. With 100 watts wired supercharge, it hits 51% in just 15 minutes. Wow, bliss. That is the way. The Huawei. Si Samsung naman, 4,900 mAh lang. 45 watts fast charging. Pero yun na, the best Mate is back. Engineered to outlast, outshoot, outperform. If you're choosing between Huawei Mate 80 Pro versus Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus, pero you care most about the true-to-life color, plus creator-friendly shooting, durability, then the Mate 80 Pro is the one to look at. All I can say is, Mate season is back. Pero syempre, pricing is very important. Ito na. Una mo na si Huawei. Coming soon on April 17. 64,999 pesos. Promo. With offers up to 32,998. Bakit sumisigaw? Narinig namin, Vince. Sorry. If you buy this, meron siya kasamang Huawei Watch GT5 worth 12,999 pesos. Bank cards offer worth up to 5,000 pesos. Meron pang premium service worth 9,999 pesos. Si Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus naman ay 74,990 pesos. Pero guys, what do you think? Do you think na worth it po ito sa price niya, 74K? Or this is looking like a better deal? At ang layo pa, magkito na lang. Kasi mo ganito. Ganito ba na camera? May freebies ka pa. Piliin ang tamang daan. The right way. The Huawei. Pero kung may iba kang way, mag-subscribe ka na lang. Hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my great content. Thanks for watching Unbox Diaries. Woohoo!